On May 19th, 2020, Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook made a big announcement about how to sell using Facebook pages. So this is actually big news.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And this is the announcement. And as soon as this happened, I was right on top of it, filming this for you, bringing it to you as soon as possible. So let me explain to you what's going on here. In the response to the COVID crisis, where small businesses are struggling, Facebook has an effort to help small businesses sell more. Now, Facebook has always had features to help small businesses sell more, but now they're going to have a more integrated experience across all their mobile apps, their desktop apps, and obviously Instagram and Facebook. So this is the announcement. I'll have the link to this in the resources section of this video, but let me actually walk you through how to set it all up and how to make it work. So I'll actually show you how to do everything. And by the way, Facebook did say that in their plans is to expand on this. So whatever I may be showing you, they might be changing this frequently, but don't worry, I'm on top of it and I'm going to be doing my best to make sure that I keep the course updated for you to show you all the latest things they have. And one thing that small business owners wanted was for checkout ability for consumers to check out and buy your products right on Facebook. Right now, that's not possible, but this is something that Facebook is actually known to be testing to a small audience, and we don't know if that's ever going to be possible, or if it is, then when, we have no idea, because mainly what Facebook wants to do is help you create your store so that eventually you'll be tempted to run ads to promote your store. So that's their main objective long term. But in the meantime, you can have a store. You don't have to run ads to it if you can promote it another way. So let me show you how to set it all up. Right now, I'm on a dummy Facebook page, and the shop feature is for pages. It's not for groups, it's for Facebook pages. So I wanted to show you this. It's kind of a dead page, but it's a good example for us because it doesn't have a button yet, the shop button. So when you create a bare page, it's going to have a button like this, add a button, and you're going to add your button. And in your case, most likely, if you want to sell things, you'll say shop now. Okay, there's going to be a shop now button. And you can have a website link or create a shop on your page. So a website link is just basically, hey, go to my website, done. But a shop on your page is something that you can actually create. And it's that simple. Now, here you see I have an error, which doesn't matter because I think this error is probably because it's a little bit of a dead page. But in your case, it should be pretty easy to set this up. Once you have this up, let me actually show you on my more updated Facebook page. Let me show you how this all looks like and how to work this feature. This is my actual Facebook page of my business, and you see I have this shop now button set up. And if you look at the bottom left, you'll have this shop option, and you have an option for offers. Now let's look at the shop. In your shop, you'll have individual products, and products will be in the collections. And these products, they can link out to your Shopify store. They can link out to maybe if you're selling Fiverr gigs or some freelancing services, whatever your product listing is, that's where you can link to. So what you can do is, if you want to manage your store, you would go to manage your catalog, and from here, you can create products. You see, like I already have a product that I made and I posted here. It's my business plan course. It's really just for the sake of the example of this video, but you can add a lot of products and it will take you through a bulk upload. You'll need to upload the inventory information through Google Sheets, or you can add products manually. That's what I did when I had one product. I just went like that, plus, next, and then I filled out all the information and it created that product for me. And if you have multiple products, then you can create product collections. So in your store, you can add a collection by clicking here, and in the collection, you can add products. So for example, a collection might be, in my case, books or courses, or maybe something more specific like business courses or marketing courses, so that it's organized. And then of course you can share everything on the wall of your page. For example, if you see here, I posted my product here, and then I also had an offer for a different product. You see 20% off. The offers is created here, offers, and then you just create an offer like I have this offer created here, or you can click on create offer, All you'll do is just fill out some information. They'll give you an option to run ads to it. You do not have to run ads to it. And of course, you would fill this out further than I did because I did this here just to show you how this works. But in your case, of course, fill this out to make a nice looking set of products, nice looking set of offers and discounts so that your store looks browsable, because then you'll be sharing that store throughout your posts and for people when they browse around your page. So you can get sales from this if you make it look nice and pretty and put care into it and make it a complete store. So for now, this is Facebook Shops as it is. And Facebook did say they are going to be building out additional features on top of this. And we'll have to stay tuned for what that's going to be. And of course, I always do my best to keep things as up to date as possible. So you should always check back in the course to see if there are any updates on this. So if you have products for sale, I recommend that you experiment by putting them in a store on your Facebook business page and trying to sell them.